Pinas Women's Under-23 squad dito. But right now, they will be facing, eto nga, ang Harimau Malaysia B Black. First possession goes to Pilipinas. Elaine Etang. She's on the move, the crossover. And the shot is good for Elaine Etang, their previous game's best player. Look at the defense of Elaine Etang. Dito kay Tan Pei-Jay. Still, she made it work. Tan Pei-Jay getting themselves on the board. And Tin Cayabyab.
What about Tin Cayabyab? Leading scorer last game. Continuing, picking up where she left off. And still dominating for Gilas U23.
One of the gunners netong Gilas Pilipinas squad. 3-1 is the score. How will Harimau Malaysia match up against this star-studded Gilas Pilipinas squad? Kahit sino, Randolph, kayang pumutok para dito sa Pilipinas. Casey De La Rosa, yung mga mid-range jumpers niya, mga tough fall-away shots pumapasok. Cheska Apa, ganda dun din. Elaine Etang, alam naman natin kung ano kaya niyang gawin. And like what you mentioned, no? Tin Cayabyab, their leading scorer nung nakaraang laro. It's gonna be a handful.
This lineup, which was made by Coach Anton Altamira, is just like a well-oiled machine. Parang walang butas eh. And that's what you want when you have your national teams, regardless if it's the seniors team or the youth team. Kumbaga, yung weakness ng isa ay napupunan ng isa pa.
Also, Larry Fonacher is here as well.
Team manager.
Still 3-1. Tin Cayabyab. They go, Casey De La Rosa spins, turns, fades, and she makes it. Again, those stop all-the-way jumpers. Basic yan para kay De La Rosa.
Yeah, Casey has really worked on her perimeter game. And napakaganda rin kasi ng form eh. Very soft touch. And really, she has really played in peak condition over the past few years.
Tin Cayabyab gets her second basket of the ball game. Wu Sui-Ying, huli ni Casey De La Rosa. Here's Casey, siya naman ang susubok sa labas. Can't get it to go. Fresh 12 for the white shirts. Apag, now Cayabyab. Casey De La Rosa, back-to-back misses from distance. De La Rosa sets the pick. Cheska Apag with 5 seconds to work with, and she gets fouled by Saw Wei-Yin. Five to 1 is the score. 7:37 remaining here. Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-23 trying to impose dominance early in this ball game. And PJ. Kanino itatawag yung foul? Oh, it's gonna be on Yoon Jia-Hui. Oh, it's on Elaine Etang. Wu Sui-Ying, the fake, beautiful shot, and the basket.
Just one of the few things working in favor of Harimau Black. They have to make headways against this tough Gilas U23 team.
They trail by 3. Etong Harimau. Wild shot from Yoon Jia-Hui. Casey De La Rosa Kayabyab finally after missing her first 2 shots from outside.
That ball's eventually gonna go down. You see that gorgeous form of Casey De La Rosa. He's just relentless on what she wants to accomplish.
7-2, Tin Kayabyab, a beautiful looking jumper. Tin Kayabyab, Etang Kayabyab.
Nice.
This familiarity at its finest for you.
And that's just nice read on the part of Tin Kayabyab, getting that, in a way, setting herself up, passing it to Elaine Etang.
You know, that's just every day of practice.
Yeah.
Thousands of games played, hundreds of games played together, thousands of hours spent together.
And that's how you really get open, just trying to share the basketball, free yourself up, deflect the attention away from you, and then at the last moment, find that gaps.
First, here's that 2-pointer by Casey De La Rosa. Tapos ito yung napakagandang ikot nito ni Tin Kayabyab.
Just a well-rounded player. You know, former UAP Rookie of the Year. Now seen as one of the torchbearers as they try to extend the dynasty of NU in the UAP.
There's an offensive foul. It's going to be on Cheska Apag.
Everything that's supposed to happen during day one. Pilipinas United 3-3 lead men's and women's. We're discovering the faces
5 seconds to work with para dito sa mga nakaputi.
and the athletes of
2 seconds.
to represent the country in international competition.
And Tin Kayabyab lighting it up from distance.
She's doing everything for Gilas U23 at this point.
Tin Kayabyab proving us why she was the leading scorer nung nakaraang laro nila. It wasn't a fluke, Charles and Randolph. Hindi naman tayo nagdududa
Hindi
dito
naman,
kay
hindi naman.
Tin Kayabyab.
I mean,
hina-hype lang din natin.
She's always been very impressive.
Uh-huh.
And that's not even before she got to college.
Here's Casey De La Rosa. 1 second remaining. They were not aware that the shot clock was winding down. How about this? Tin Kayabyab. All net. Tapos may bawi naman. Kaso pa isa-isang puntos lang. That was so way in. 11-3 is the score. Halfway point ng ating laro. Hu Sui-ying with 5. Oh, and their first long distance shot courtesy of Tan PG. Kayabyab spins against her defender and she scores. What can you not do, Tin Kayabyab? Casey De La Rosa. See that jump stop, the gather just before that fadeaway. Slowly trying to mount a comeback. Etong Harimao Malaysia. Tin Kayabyab will miss.
Yeah, she thought she got fouled on her way up, but the referees deciding otherwise.
She got called for a warning lang naman
Yeah.
for faking a foul. Great
Oh,
two-man
nice.
game, perfectly executed. Hu Sui-ying on the receiving end.
And slowly but surely, Harimau Black making their move.
That's a foul. And that'll be 14. team foul called on.
That's the fourth team foul on Harimau Malaysia Black. De La Rosa will sit down for a minute. Then Cayabyab will be back. We will have a TV timeout. 13-7 is the score under 4 minutes remaining here in this ball game. 5 team fouls for Gilas Pilipinas, 4 for Harimau Malaysia. Gilas Pilipinas just proving to be too much for the Malaysians, giving them a taste of what Filipina basketball, the representatives ng ating bansa. Meron na tayong kahit papanong glimpse. May gist na tayo kahit papano. We've had a number of notable Filipina basketball players who have represented the country, namely Coach Janine Ponteros, Ali Lim, Raiza Palmera D,
Afril Bernardino,
Afril, Snow Peñaranda, many more. At susunod, itong mga to na yun eh.
Yeah, I mean, next in line to the current stars like Jack Anima. Yan na yung kasunod eh. Casey De La Rosa is on her way there. Same with Christine Cayabyab.
Malaysians not giving up without a fight. Cayabyab getting doubled. And she dribbled it off her foot.
Time down to 3 minutes and 19 here in this ball game. It's still to happen. We're also going to be seeing action. Harimau Malaysia yellow versus Hanoi 3x3 by Amigos.
Shots not falling for Harimau Malaysia. Meanwhile, for the Philippines, Tin Cayabyab.
Then was like, no one wants to pass, I'll shoot it.
Get to 21 before the whole 10 minutes expires. 16-8.
(16 to 8). Traveling violation called on Apag. Kamusta po sa inyong lahat ng mga nakatutok sa PusoP.com. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are. 5 seconds to work with for Shea Yang. Naagawan Elaine Etang. Now Cheska Apag on the move. Putting some muscle to her hustle.
Some fight being shown by Harimau Black.
Elaine Etang on the move. Traveling violation is gonna be called on Etang.
Nice anticipation on the part nitong si So Wei-Yin.
17-10. 4 points away to get to 21 here for Gilas U23.
Great backdoor cut. Hindi nga lang matatapos yung play. Ito ni Tan PG. Cheska Apag, series of moves.
Oh!
Fakes out 2 defenders. Sensational move from Cheska Apag. How do you like that?
That's just nasty on the part of Cheska Apag.
I mean, these are the women players. We're also getting entertained with the men.
Thought that was a push-off.
We all thought it was. It was a let go. Casey De La Rosa, she will miss. Isa pa lang ang kanyang naibubutas dito galing sa labas.
Look at that. Up and under move. Wow. I mean, that's just quality play from Elaine Etang. Dazzling her way to the basket.
It was so nice, you gotta see it twice.
Still having a tough time to twice.
Oh, miscommunication.
3 points. That's all they need here for Gilas U23.
But if you're watching this game and observing this Gilas Pilipinas U23 team, you gotta be excited on their upcoming campaign for the World Cup, especially with how fluid they have been working in this game. And once again, Elaine Etang turning a lot of heads. Yung slight misdirection lang talaga eh. It really fools the defenders.
That herky-jerky from Elaine Etang. You would think, no, Randolph, na because Elaine Etang is a small player, no, you would think she would be a liability on defense,
Yep.
but no.
But again, that's just the Filipino pride in us. You have to make it with different facets of the game. And obviously, her peskiness, her speed has been a big advantage for her, which earned her her spot here in the Gilas U23 team.
Sasablay nga lang, masyadong malalim si Elaine Etang. Magkabilang dulo. Doon niya kinuha eh. 42 seconds remaining, 19-11.
Eyeball Malaysia, 39 seconds.
Fusway Ying. Great defense by Casey De La Rosa.
2 points away to get the win.
Couple of points away. Casey De La Rosa for the win. Blocked by Dan PJ.
Still time.
Shot clock violation. .21 total and Eyeball Malaysia's got 12 seconds to execute play. Sweden looking to come up with a basket, most probably trying to psych themselves up for the next game.
10 seconds remaining. Foregone conclusion once again for Gilas Pilipinas. Hindi pala tayo aabot ng 21 puntos. Pero sapat na yun para sa Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under 23 to get their second win here in this day.